For this assignment, for the digestive system, it's our write it draft. Okay? This is what our write it draft looks like, and I'm going to show you where you can get your answers from. Remember yesterday, I had you guys put these in sequential order as they happen in the digestive system. I'm going to read them through to you. So the first thing is, I start in the mouth, crunch, slice, dice, the teeth chop me up, saliva breaks me down. Then swoop, I enter the long tube called the esophagus, and muscles slide me down. 3, swish, the muscles in the stomach mix me up with the acids and I get smaller. 4, after all that mixing in the stomach, I feel dizzy. Swoop, I fall into another valve to the small intestine. Here I am sprayed with more chemicals. 5, in the small intestine, I diffuse into the walls and catch a ride in the blood, with the blood. And 6, the blood vessels bring me to a body cell, like in a muscle, and I give it all my energy. And so here the directions say, write it, draft. You are a piece of food moving through the digestive system. Tell me about your journey. This is an organizer to help you draft your ideas. Okay, so I'm going to split my screen now in two. And this is what you'll need to do on your Chromebook. I'll make that smaller. And here we go. So I already got this one started for you, okay? So let me find there it is. Okay, so you're moving through the digestive system. Tell me about your journey. This is an organizer to help you draft your ideas. Okay, so I start in the mouth. Here's my pizza. I start in the mouth. So you see over here it says I started in the mouth. Crunch, slice, dice, the teeth chop me up, saliva breaks me down. And what did I write? I am a piece of pizza that just went into your mouth. Your teeth bite into me and I become smaller and smaller. The tongue mixes me around. The tongue mixes me around the mouth with your saliva, and the tongue pushes me to the back of your throat. And then I move along the esophagus. So look over here. I move along the esophagus. Swoop. I enter the long tube called the esophagus, and muscles slide me down. All right. So after today's lesson, you'll be able to come back and fill this in and this in. But for now, go ahead and write. So I move along the esophagus. That's the second step. Swoop. So go ahead and write. Swoop. I enter the long tube called the esophagus, and muscles slide me down. Write that there. And then the third step, I reach the stomach. Write this here. Swoosh. The muscles in the stomach mix me up with the acids and I get smaller. Okay? Write that here. And then the fourth step. Okay? After all that mixing in the stomach, I feel dizzy. Swoop. I fall in another valve. Oh, sorry. Swish, the muscles in the stomach mix me up with the acids and I get smaller. Here. And then number 4, after all that mixing in the stomach, I feel dizzy. Swoop, I fall into another valve to the small intestine, which is here. In the small intestine, so you're going to put 4 and 5 here, okay? So 4 and 5 go here. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and 5, and then this is 6 over here. So, and then it says I end up at a body cell. And over here, the blood vessels bring me to a body cell, like in a muscle, and I give it all my energy. So number 6 from here goes right here. All right? Ta-da! And you're done with that part of the activity for the day.